as buying a new one. The use of AI in valuing used cars brings this transparency, ensuring that no one is left in the dark about the true worth of a vehicle. Fair pricing? Check. No more haggling or guessing games, as AI provides an accurate estimate based on a multitude of factors, from the car's age and mileage to its condition and market demand. Moreover, this technology is a real time saver. Instead of spending hours researching and comparing prices, AI delivers the information you need in a fraction of the time. But the implications go even further. By transforming the secondhand market into a more efficient and reliable space, AI is making it easier for everyone to participate. No more daunting negotiations or fear of getting a raw deal. With AI, the secondhand car market is becoming more accessible and trustworthy for everyone involved. As we look ahead, what does the future hold for the secondhand car market with AI? The potential is vast and thrilling. Imagine a world where AI-driven algorithms provide more personalized pricing based on your specific needs and preferences. We're talking about a system that takes into account every minute detail, from the car's mileage to the condition of its cup holders, to calculate a price that's fair for both buyer and seller. Picture this: an AI tool that can predict the depreciation of a car's value with pinpoint accuracy, helping buyers make smart, future-proof investments. Or even an automated negotiation process, where AI bots handle the haggling, reducing the stress and uncertainty that often comes with bargaining. However, it's not all smooth sailing. This brave new world will come with challenges and ethical considerations. How do we ensure fairness? How do we protect privacy? These questions will need answers. AI is not just changing the game in the secondhand car market, it is redefining